Hey guys, it's Weston with Outworld. We're here at 5 Point Auto Spa installing the AlphaRex NOVA Series headlights on our 2019 Toyota 4Runner. A little bit different on this vehicle rather than a stock 4Runner. The CBI off-road front bumper with these hoops sits super close to the headlights, so we're going to be taping everything off just to avoid any scratches to the lens or the body while we take these things off. This install is a breeze, but keeping the bumper on makes it a bit trickier. Simply remove the bumper, or in my case, what's left of it, to remove the headlights. As much as I enjoy the 5th Gen 4Runner platform, the stock lighting system is one of its main weaknesses. I've done several HID retrofits on previous builds and was preparing to go down the same road for this build. AlphaRex has a solid track record in aftermarket lighting, and though I've been a long-time HID proponent, these LED-based NOVA Series had my attention. The fact they utilize a similar Osram LED chip like many popular auto manufacturers definitely added confidence. With the original lights out, it's time to install the supplied wiring harness, which is essentially a power, ground, and tap for your injector fuse for the daytime running lights. Don't forget to swap the lower headlight brackets from the original headlights to the new ones. Once that's set up, it's simply reversing the order to install the new headlights.